Good morning, second grade. Miss Fogelman here for your math lesson. Let me share my screen. All right. Today we're going to be reviewing number strings and strategies that we need to use when adding numbers in our head. So our first one is 8 plus 3 plus 7. And when I look at these numbers, I see right away that 3 and 7 equal 10. And we all know that 10 is a much easier number to add other numbers to. So 8 plus 10 is 18. All right, so that is much easier than trying to add 8 plus 3 plus 7. Either way, whatever order you add them in, you come up with the same number. So doing 7 plus 3 is definitely easier. All right, so the next one is 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5, okay? And I see here that I have a 3 again. I don't immediately have a 7, but if I add 2 plus 5, I get 7, plus 3, I get 10. Well, then we know that landmark number of 10 is much easier to add to. So I know that 4 plus 1 is 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, so much easier to do in your head when you add it in an order that you come up with a landmark number of 10. All right, let's see. On the next page, we have 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6, okay? And we see that we again have two numbers that when added together, we get 10, okay? And then 10 is easily added to, so we do 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 10 is 18. Using that strategy of making a 10 does help you to finish the adding. All right, now our last one is 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. You'll notice we have doubles here, okay? And normally doubles we could add very quickly, but I do think that if we add 2 plus 1 and get 3, again, we have 7 plus 3, which is 10, and 10 plus this 2, which is 12. You could have also done 2 plus 2, which is 4. Then 4 plus 7, we know is 1 more than the 10 because it's 7 plus 4 instead of 7 plus 3. So that would be 11 plus the 1 is 12. Either way, whichever way you think that is the easiest way for you to do it in your head, you will get the same answer. All right. Now, our next one is not a mental math problem. It is one that we do need to show our work on. So let's do that together. Kenny and his two friends collect baseball cards. Kenny has 32. Okay, so Kenny has 32. Jimmy has 24. And Layla has 28. Okay, so let's see what we're supposed to do with those three numbers. How many do they have all together? So we know we need to add these numbers together. We also know that we cannot add all three numbers at the same time. So I'm going to start by adding 32 plus 24. and I'm going to use the expanded form. So I'm going to say 30 plus 2 and 20 plus 4. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 6. 30 plus 20 is 50. Okay. So this number is 56, but that is not our final answer because it asks how many do they have all together. And the only way to find that out is to add this final number to it also. So we're going to add 28 plus 56. 28 is 20 plus 8. Make sure you're very neat about keeping your numbers in the correct columns. 8 plus 6 is 14. So can I have 14 in the ones place? No, I cannot. So I would take my set of 10 over here, and I would have to add it over here, right? Which then takes my 10 away from here. So then I would add that to 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. And 80 plus 4 is 84. So the answer to our question is they have 84 baseball cards, okay? Not only have I included my work, I have also included my equation and my answer. You could have also done this on an open number line or with your base 10 chart, okay? All right, let me get this back. There is a Google form for you to take on the math slide today. Make sure you get on and do that. Have a good day, everyone.